Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this fraction 20 divided by 1 over 2 divided by 4 over 4. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Instead of this fraction we can write parentheses the numerator 20 divided by 1 over 2 divided by 4 divided by denominator 4. Okay, the numerator divided by denominator. And now we have this parentheses and this division. As we know, parentheses has higher priority than other operations. And inside this parentheses we have two divisions. When we have more than one division in one expression, we have to work from left to right. So first this division, 20 divided by 1 over 2. Here, according to the KCF rule, we can write 20 times 2. Okay? So we have 20 times 2 divided by 4. And divided by 4 again. Here we have one multiplication and one division. As we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first 20 times 2, which equals 40. Okay, so we have parentheses 40 divided by 4 divided by 4. 40 divided by 4 gives us 10. So we have 10 divided by 4. And 10 divided by 4 equals 2.5. So our final answer to this problem is just 2.5.